Well, we're out here at the old Fry's Electronics. Had to make a side stop today. Can you guys see me? Of course, you're all zoomed way in again, because it's how I do it. Had to make a side stop and go purchase some RAM for the big computer. It died on me a week ago today. And coming to find out, talked to the guy that built it for me. He says, oh yeah, I told him what it was doing. Start up, run for 2 seconds, beep, and then shut down. Start up, run for 2 seconds, beep, shut down. Just over and over again. He says, oh yeah, it's your RAM. Got a bad stick of RAM. So I got 4 slots in that computer. 8 gigabytes each. This is 2 brand new 8 gigabytes. Why did I buy 2, you may ask? So he told me how to check them using the computer. 2 are good. 1 8 gigabyte is bad. And for whatever reason, and I don't think either one of us caught this, but one of those sticks is a 16 gigabyte stick of RAM. And I can't get that one to do anything at all. The computer won't even recognize it. So I wonder if that's not part of some of the issues I've been having over the years with that computer. Not that they've been really difficult, but 2 brand new sticks to go with the 2 that are currently operating. And I'll throw those in tonight when I get home and get that machine back up and going. I finally got it up and going again yesterday when I took the time and cleaned it all out and got all the dust out of it. Checked the stuff, and 1 stick at a time in the primary slot. So, but yeah, one 8 gigabyte is bad. The computer won't even recognize it. It's gone haywire. And the other 16 gigabyte won't even recognize it. Put it in and just goes beep, 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 beep. So I'll get rid of those 2. I was reading that sometimes those 16 gigabytes, they're more for servers, and a lot of motherboards don't recognize them. I can't find the book on mine to see if mine would even recognize it. But I've got a higher end motherboard in that computer. It's not a store-bought machine, so maybe I'll throw some pictures on there and y'all can see kind of what I got. But this should get me back up to full speed. And then off we go. So, just a quick one. Thanks for watching. I'm off to Snoqualmie now to go look at some trains. We just finished up with the Boeing thing. My feet are killing me. I've already done like 14,000 steps for the day, and it's only 12:30 in the afternoon. I've been up since 5:30 this morning. On the road since about 6:15. So, early, long day for me. So I gotta figure out how to get back to the freeway from here. I think I need to go that way, and then that way. Catch I-90, and then away we go. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.